What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to go over a set that's absolutely adorable. The set is cute and it's retiring at the end of 2025. So I'm wondering, is there money in this set? Can the cuteness bring us some gain? I love investing in these types of sets because they're just a great entry point. They're growing in popularity more and more every day. And there could be big money in these types of sets. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. Comment down below. It'll definitely help the channel, help the community. Is this something that we should buy, or is this something that we should pass up? So let's dive into it. Today we're talking about Potted Groot. This is item number 40671. This retails for $10. It's 113 pieces, so it's absolutely adorable. Really, the only thing I don't like about this set is maybe this top part, how they have like the plant growing out of Groot's head. Maybe the flower container, maybe that should have been black. But that's really my only complaint. And I guess another complaint would be like, I'm tired of Disney overplaying the cuteness factor. Like Baby Groot, Baby Yoda, like I'm so done with that kind of stuff. But I don't know. Brickheads, I like investing in brickheads because they're typically LEGO store exclusives. That means they're harder to get. There's a lot less inventory compared to normal sets that are sold at like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, all those places. And they're just a great entry point, like $10 for this. Without looking at anything, I'm probably going to guess this is going to be a $30 set. Could it hit 40? There's a possibility, but if we can hit 30 to 40, I'm happy with that. And if it goes on sale for $8, that's a win for me. So I do think I am going to invest in this set. It probably won't be a bunch. I'll probably just buy a few just in case. So this set came out February 2024 and it retires at the end of 2025. So it's got a price per piece of 9 cents and it's got a market price right now of $10.74. So we're in a unique time right now with brickheads, because before it used to be maybe 2 to 3 years you would hit a decent price. Now, with how much inventory LEGO is creating, it could take maybe 5 to 10, but that's okay for me because brickheads are super tiny. I could buy a bunch of these and fill up one box worth and just put it off to the side. So I typically like investing in brickheads sets that are out maybe 6 to 9 months. This is a little bit longer. The 6 to 9 month is just absolutely solid. We see great gains with those. So let's take a look at the sub theme, the Marvel superheroes. See how previous sets have done. So we've got, first up, item number 41626, Groot and Rocket. This one retail for $15, which is a solid set. I like this Groot better. It's got a value right now of $60.49. We got Gamora, retail for $10, value of $27.79. Star-Lord, got a value of $33.03. Thanos, $36.22. Iron Man MK50, got a value right now of $40.42. I mean, these are great profits when you're only spending $10. And if you're thinking maybe that's not enough, well, you could do what a lot of people do is they group sets together. I mean, you could easily earn a maybe $40 to $60 profit depending on what you sell together. So we got Black Widow, which is this one shocking to me. This one retails for $10, value of $14.97. I'm curious why this one is so low. I mean, Black Widow is a fairly popular character. That one's, it's just odd to me. If anyone has any theories on that one, I definitely want to hear it. Then we got Iron Man, retail for $10, value of $40. Hulk, $35.99. Captain America, $50.96. And then the San Diego Comic-Con sets, which just do absolutely insane. You're pulling in $1,300 for all those. So yeah, on average, $30. Exactly where I said I think this would be. I think a fair estimate would be 30 to 35. It'd be absolutely gravy if we could hit $40, which maybe, I don't know, could the cuteness factor get us into the 40 range, or do you think we're going to stick in the $30 range? Either which way, those are solid profits, especially if this one goes on sale. Honestly, if I had spare cash, I'd probably buy a few of these, at least 10 just in case. But maybe I'm rushing ahead. We'll have to see how it's doing on eBay. But let's check out Groot sets, see what we're dealing with here, how well they're doing. So we got item number 76217, the I Am Groot. This one retailed for $54.99, had a massive sale. It's got a value right now of $48.98. Venomized Groot. I love anything Venomized. Like this, if you were to ask me which one's going to do better, hands down, the Venomized Groot. I kind of wanted to buy some because I think this could be worth some money later on. But this one retailed for $50. value of $52.88. We got item number 242319, the magazine gift Groot. $5.32. Rocket and Baby Groot. This one's available for retail, $54.99. Dancing Groot, this one's available for retail, $44.99. And then the one we already looked at, Groot and Rocket, $60.49. So, sadly, the numbers just aren't really impressing me, so it's a little bit of a concern. But out of all these, I love the Venomized Groot. Really quick, let's take a look at the minifigures, see how they're doing. Groot Baby, $9.46. Groot Baby again, $15.14. Teen Groot, $7.08. Groot, $4.70. Regular Groot, $3.65. This one with the shoulder pads, $3.16, which I think the shoulder pad version would be worth a lot. And then we got Baby Groot, $12.52. From a personal level, I like adult version Groot. I think they made a mistake taking the Baby Groot to the Teen Groot. We should have got adult Groot back. I mean, the first Guardians of the Galaxy was just phenomenal. I missed that Groot. So yeah, let's take a look to see how this set's doing on eBay and all the other sets. While I'm taking a look at these sets, I want to hear your thoughts and opinion. Is this something that you're going to invest in? Is this something that you've already invested in? I want to hear that info. So let's see. Oh, actually, wrong Groot. All right, here we go. $9, $8, ooh, $10.99, $12.40, $18.99, $15, $7.50 pre-owned, $16.97, $12.99, $12.49, $16.95, kind of all over the place. I'm probably gonna say maybe a fair value right now is in the $14, $15 range, $12.99, $8.50, $11.68, $5.61, ooh. Yeah, kind of all over the place. It's a little concerning. I would have loved to see this kind of like the Star Wars sets where they do above retail. That's a great sign. That would instill confidence for me. Next up, item number 76217, the I Am Groot, $27.51, $29.99, $17, $40, $45, $19.96, $17.50. Wow. Oh, this pre-owned. $24.99, $40. Yeah, this one's rough. $32.52, $20 pre-owned. That's just terrifying. I'm sorry. That face and build out, rough. $24.99, $38. Yeah, this one's doing very, very bad. Not a good sign. Next up, item number 76249, Venomized Groot, $49.37. $45. Okay, a little bit better. Ooh, $25. Pre-owned, $11.50. $35. $30 there. $50. $30. Oh, yeah, rough again. Brick economy's coming in a little bit high. $40. $40. $45.50, $35, $32. I would have thought this one would have been a little bit better. Would it have done better if we would have had adult Groot that was venomized? Alright, item number 242319, the magazine gift Groot, $7.37, $7.99, $9.33, $4.82. Yeah, it just seems like magazine gifts just do not do well at all. Even like the Clone Trooper Star Wars sets, they just don't do well. Alright, lastly, item number 41626, Groot and Rocket, $49.90, $58, 21 bids, $57.99, $57. All these for $85. Pre-owned, $29.95, $61.99, $75. Wow. $55, $63.44, $63.44, $64, $64. This one's doing pretty decent. I mean, this was a solid buy. And I would love to hear if you purchased any of these and, you know, if you've sold any, made any profit. I want to hear that kind of info. So, looking at everything, I'm nervous about this set, but out of all the sets, I think this is probably the number one set possibility to earn money. Maybe number two when you go behind Rocket and Groot, the Brickhead. But has this been out too long? Should we lower the price point to maybe $20 to $30? Or do you think this could hit a solid $30, which I think is a solid profit? It's small, easy to ship if you sell online, and you're not losing a whole bunch of money if it didn't go up. That's why I like Brickhead. And I think the biggest factor of why I like Brickheads is because they're just so hard to build massive amounts of inventory. So we've got the few subscribers on here that have said like they work near a Lego store or they live near one. That's awesome for you. You can build a ton of inventory. But majority of people, myself included, it's very difficult to go to the Lego store. It's like an hour away sometimes. So I just can't build massive amounts of inventory. And that's why I like Brickheads. Like I said, we're in a unique time right now. We need to see where it levels out. But I think eventually we will hit a point where we start seeing some profits on some of these sets. It could take 5 to 10 years. But I do think some of these sets are extremely awesome and they will be sought after. Is this one of them? Probably not, but I think a lot of people will buy it just because it's a cute set. That's what I'm banking on. Is this a guaranteed buy for me? Absolutely not. But if I have a few spare bucks and I need to, hit a certain price point to get a gift with purchase, I might consider this one. So how do you feel about this? Is this something that you've invested in? Going to invest in? Will you only invest in it if it goes to maybe $8? I mean, if you bought this for $8, that's a good profit if it hit 30. So shout out to everyone that watched this full video, comments, likes. That's the best way to support this channel. I truly appreciate everyone that really does it. I could tell the ones that don't watch the whole video because they typically say stuff that they missed me saying in other parts of the video, but either which way, I appreciate all your continued support. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.